Hi, I'm Alay with Moon Valley Nurseries, and let's put together a thriller, filler, spiller decorative pot. First, we're going to fill it up with some soil. This bag's a little heavy. And I like to fill it up to about the point to where the cups will sit in the pot. Okay. Alright, I'm just breaking up the soil now. Alright, for my centerpiece, I'm going to start off with a Dracaena. It has some great height on it for the middle. I'm going to take it out. Try to separate the bottom roots as much as you can. It doesn't really matter though if you can't get it fully, it'll connect. Alright. Find a good placement for it. I'm going to put 2 in there because it's a larger pot. Alright, it's looking real pretty so far. Let's add our fillers. I'm going to be using some white angelonas. Same thing, just break up the dirt and then pack it in as close as you can to your middle filler. Alright, now we're going to finish the pot off with our spillers. I like to use the potato vines. They do really well in the summer as well. All right, now I'm just gonna fill in the spots with some soil, top it off. I love dramatic overflows. I think that's the prettiest part of a pot, especially with the little purple color. All right, now it is all filled in. You have your thriller, your filler, and your spiller.